This is coming up towards Lyd Estuary, but there's loads and loads of ducks and geese up here at the moment, shovel ducks as I call them. I'm hopefully going to get a pick up of the close up of them all. Hopefully. Keep missing it every time I go past it, but we'll see. And hopefully the storage don't cut out. Bird Island as I call it. Bird Island. Look at that, it's stunning, isn't it? Stunning today, it's going to be red hot. Let's keep it rolling to the next lake. Yeah, they're all in the distance over there. Let's see if we can get a closer. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Yeah, look at them all. Sunbathing they are, look. Sunbathing. See how it goes, because they're usually on the next field going up there. Just keep rolling. Just keep rolling. I'm rolling very slowly along here. Potholes everywhere. Look at that, and that's stunning. Right, it should be the next lake as we're coming up towards here. Hopefully they're no, they're not. Typical on it. Typical. Shovel ducks as I call them. Shovel ducks. No, they're all in the distance. They're all in the distance. Always away, aren't they? They're all on that field before. Magpies. They're not there now. Sorry everyone, they're way over there by the looks of it. Bloopers. See, look, those blobs over there, blobs. Unless it could be on the next field, we will see. So many lakes along there. Look at that. A long-legged bird there. No, they're way over there, look. Way over. Use this, and there's herring gulls as well, but blobs. More blobs and more bloopers. And sheep. Hello sheep. Look. Hello bar. Crows. There they all are. Look. Some shovel ducks. Oh look, I got close-ups for you. Close-ups. Sort of. Yeah, there they are. Look. Close-ups. Good morning to the shovels. Hello. Egyptian geese. Goodbye. Goodbye. Look. Coots. Beautiful along there. That's it. And then it goes into Lyd. So I'll upload and go from there. Have a good day, everyone. Sunday, the 10th of August, 2025. Out of it. And that's stunning. Look at that lake over there. And swans. Several sets over there. Blobs. You can't see any of them. I can. Go and visit Lyd Estuary and you'll see. If you're in East Sussex, go and see it. Or visiting Kent and East Sussex, go and see it. It's absolutely beautiful and the beaches are stunning today. Stunning. See ya.